Hello lovelies, you are welcome to Delicious Kitchen. We are making simple, special, delicious fried egg that is perfect for bread, for yam or for potatoes. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe, like and follow. Lovelies, those are the eggs we'll be using today. For the exact measurement, please check the description box or the comment section. You're going to find the list there. So whisk those eggs together like this and pour the vegetable oil into a pot, and I'm adding diced onions into it now. I'm just going to fry this for about a minute or two. After that, I'll add habanero pepper into it. I want it a bit spicy. Feel free to use chili if you don't have habanero. So after this, I'm going to add sardine into it. I'll be using 2 tins of sardine. And I'm going to add seasoning direct into this. You don't need to waste time. Yes, and it's going to come out perfect. Add seasoning into it and add some salt into it as well. So I'm now going to give it a good mix together, and I'm going to fry everything for about 4 to 5 minutes. So it's now time to add diced onion and diced tomatoes into the egg mixture. I added tomatoes and I also added onions. All right, so now I'm going to mix this together, and I'll be using seasoning mixture. If you don't have seasoning mixture, please feel free to use salt a bit, not too much. Remember, we added to the sauce already. Now mix everything together just like this. So after that, it's now time to pour this mixture into the sauce. But before then, try to taste the salt of the sauce. It should be normal. And it's now time to pour the mixed egg into the sardine sauce. After that, cover under low heat for 3 minutes. All right, so let it simmer for 3 minutes. After that, open it and flip together. Turn on your heat back to middle heat and fry for about 2 minutes. So lovely. This is really simple and it tastes super delicious. You're going to love how this turn out. You're gonna love the result. I'm very sure of that. Serve this with yam, with boiled yam, serve with fried yam or with potatoes, and it's also perfect for bread. And do you know what? You can also enjoy your rice with this. It is super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and follow.